My monthly favorites video, and guys, in this video I am finally gonna do the giveaway for 100,000 followers. So the giveaway is gonna go instead of a third product. So today there's gonna be two products that made my month this month. And first of all, I'm gonna introduce you to these two products. I'm gonna review them. And then as the third product, there is gonna be a giveaway. And guys, it's not just a giveaway. I'm giving away a Cartier bracelet, new from the store, with all the documentations, with all the authentic certifications and so very on. A bracelet with a diamond bracelet from Cartier. I'm gonna give it away in this video of mine, so stay very tuned till the end of this video of mine. Well, let's get started. So the very first product for this video of mine, it's actually this one that's right behind me. This is a TV stand by ONEINMIL. It came with a fireplace installed inside, like electronic one, not a real one, but it is so very gorgeous. I can't wait to show you the unboxing, the assembling, and the using in action. So guys, there we go. Here it comes. So this is a three-sided glass fireplace TV stand by ONEINMIL. This one came in two boxes, as you can see it right now on your screens, guys. And this comes with a built-in fireplace. Like the fireplace comes separately from the TV stand itself. The installation and the assembling process is super easy. The fireplace itself, it's not a real fire, of course, and the glass itself isn't like hot to the touch. It is super completely safe to use this one, but it also comes with a heating ability, so it can heat your room. This is 100% safe. Safe for kids, safe for pets. The glass actually stays cool while just simply showing the flames, while the heat comes from here. This is the heater, while the glass is absolutely cool. So there is no any worries about your child's safety. This TV stand have a large storage space, and it can accommodate a TV for up to 65 inches. What you can see right now on your screens, guys, my TV is 35 inches. That's the final result that I'm showing you right now, like, you know, in a little break between the assembling and unboxing scenes. So this TV is 35 inches, as you can see, and it looks pretty very nice. Guys, right now on your screens, you can see that the smallest TV it can handle. I mean, obviously you can put any TV that you feel like, but like the official recommendation is starting from 32, and you can see on your screens right now how it looks like 32, 43, 55, and so very on. So definitely buy your own choice, whatever works for you. It comes with an open storage shelves as well as with two glass door cabinets, and it's so very gorgeous, guys. It just looks so pretty. I am absolutely obsessed with this one. It have a multimedia devices and decorations abilities, like options to put on, and obviously you can decorate it and create any type of scenes that you feel like. This is my scenes. This is how I decorated it. Let me know what you think about it, by the way, down below in the comments. It is also having the hidden cabinets, and you can put like CDs, books, storage baskets, flowers, plants, any other type of items for decoration, or just to use it as a storage as well. It have an amazing ample hidden storage space. It have a three-side glass display fireplace. This is a 24 inches three-side panoramic fireplace that changes colors. This one allows you to experience a real flames anywhere in the room. It is ideal for 400 square feet type of spaces, and it is maintaining the coziness of your room. Now, it is also works as a heater as well, and you have a few options, so you can use it on low and on high type of a temperature. So it is heating the room in basically minutes. It's so fast, like a real heater, but this one is a big one. So it works anywhere between 62 Fahrenheit to 82 degrees by Fahrenheit as well. So you choose how you want it. Obviously you can keep the heat off and having only the flames, or you can have the both, whatever works for you. This one is made with a modern, high quality particleboard type of a design. It's great for its struggling structure, and it is prolonged a lifespan and resistant to any type of scratches and water, and it is having no any type of a smell of an odor. The modern design of this stand makes it to be a bright precise in a living room, bedroom, or office. This TV cabinet is not only for storage, but also an elegant and amazing, gorgeously looking decoration. The farmhouse standing design is absolutely gorgeous. This is the most favorite design. This is how my whole house designed, with like that type of a design, that type of a style. I love farmhouse. So these glass doors and this rustic wood grains adds so much of a timeless, lasting charm to my area. You can put this one anywhere you want, living room, bedroom, any type of space, office. I've put this one into my studio because because I don't have a heating here, so it's actually working amazing for me. It's definitely gonna be a great upgrade to any type of a space and a delightful centerpiece. Everyone that walked into my studio, by the way, were like, oh my god, where you've got it from, because it's so gorgeously looking. It also comes with an LED strips, like 2 LED strips, and it have a 12 LED colors, so you can switch between them via the remote that it is coming from. So yes, it came with a remote control, so you can just simply control it all with the remote. You can switch according to the atmosphere of your room, according to your mood of the day, mood of the minute, mood of the hour, whatever. You can just absolutely customize and control it all. It also have a timer, so you can put it on timer for anywhere between 0 to 6 hours. So it's gonna turn himself automatically after the amount of hours that you've defined. Show the timer. It have an overheat protection, as well as it have 6 different types of a flame brightness. You can choose the brightness of your own and 12 adjustable flame colors, anywhere between purple, blue, green, red, yellow, whatever. Anything works well. Another thing is that you don't have to use the remote. You can use it from the panel right here on the top of the fireplace. And you have everything displayed right here on the screen. So you can control it all here. You can control the heat. You can control the flames, colors, as well as you set up the timer from this panel too. I absolutely love the look of this one, and it just looks so very gorgeous in my area. I've put a TV of 35 inches on top of it, so this is how it looks like. You can definitely put a smaller one if you want to, and a little bit of a bigger one if you want to, so whatever works for you. Definitely so very worth it. Absolutely stunning type of a TV stand, absolutely stunning fireplace. I mean, I've never seen something as gorgeous as this one. Guys, be so very sure to check this one out. Well guys, I truly hope you enjoyed this review of mine. This TV stand is freaking everything. I mean, it's so very beautiful and it's adding so much to the decor of every room. I've got it in white, but I have more colors available, and my whole house is decorated in white. My whole house is designed in this style, same style as this TV stand. So, oh my god, I'm a huge fan of this one. It's so very gorgeous and so very beautiful. It's in a fantastic way. So guys, all of the links, all of the codes, discount codes, sales codes, promotions, coupon codes, everything can be found down below in the description box of this video of mine. So be so very sure to check it all out. And we're moving to my next part. And my next favorite product of this month, it's this breast pump by Momcozy. So this is a V2 breast pump, and you guys know that I just delivered a baby and she is currently 7 months old, and obviously I'm breastfeeding same time she's on formula as well, so she's like half and half breastfeeding, half on formula, and I am definitely was waiting for that type of product to arrive to my greedy hands so long. This is a life changer, guys, and let me tell you everything about it. Let me show you the unboxing and how am I using this one. Well, let's get started. This is Momcozy V2 hands-free breast pump. This one is ultra light and potent. So this is an extremely lightweight pump motor that's gonna bring the best breast milk to your baby. This is a professional and efficient pump. It is gonna give you the great experience of the powerful Momcozy breast pump. It is combines a small and hospital-grade motor, which works for up to 290 mmHg, which stands for millimeters of mercury, and it is a measurement of a pressure, which means that there is a high frequency and a micro vibration technology that this breast pump works on. This is gonna make a pumping sessions more productive with more milk as a result. This is 100% complete hands-free convenience pump. It is weighed only 0.26 pounds per cup, and it is holding at 7.8 ounces, which equals to 230 milliliters of breast milk each. Momcozy V1 allows you to feel a lightweight and a compact of this pump while you are collecting your milk in bra. So this is a completely portable one. You can walk with this one, you can do whatever you want with this one. You can enjoy the freedom to move around comfortably, to go travel, to be in your office, to work, even being in a conference with many people in the room. This one is so very quiet that most of the chances people won't even notice that you are pumping right now. You can take care of any other possible tasks while pumping via this V1 breast pump by Momcozy. There are great customizable abilities in this pump. The Creative HD touch panel that comes with this breast pump is coming with 3 different modes, and each one of the modes have 9 levels, which are allowing you to personalize and to customize your pumping experience according to your own personal needs and according to your comfort and level of pain, as well as according to your own personal preference of a milk flow. It's a natural pumping rhythm which mimics a baby's sucking. It's like a real baby is currently sucking on your breast. This is to ensure a cozier milk expression and to keep the milk in your breast at the right amount, so your breast won't notice if there is a baby or a pump currently nursing from your breast. This pump comes with an upgraded comfort and fit. It is relieved the hassle of a manual pumping with this Momcozy V1. It's double sealed flange, which is crafted from a soft food grade silicone material. This is to ensure a secure and a leak-free connection to your breast while pumping in each session. The ergonomic design of the milk bowl provides a more discreet and gentle feed with no pain. The transparent and visualization milk bowl is really helpful because every time in a live time you can check out how many milk you've already pumped. It comes with a detailed capacity scale line on the cup itself, so it is helping to monitor your milk flow easily to know how much already you pumped out. Is that it's time to stop? Do you need more? Do you need less? Do you want to up the power? Do you want to less the power? You can fully control it and make the right decision live. This is coming with 2300s of a milliampere of a battery capacity, which allows you to 6 pumping sessions on a single charge. This is really helping, guys, because my previous pump, I had to recharge it basically every time that I used it. It is providing a convenience on the go, so you won't be dependent as much on the charger as with other pumps. It comes with 5 different flange sizes, 17, 19, 21, 24, and 27 millimeters, to meet all the possible needs of all the possible motors at a different stage, also at a different size of a nipple, different size of a breast. This breast pump is super easy to clean. It only has 4 pump parts to clean, so it is easy, convenient, and effortlessly to use this breast pump. So with this pump, you will be able to enjoy the full freedom to move around comfortably and taking care of any possible things you need to do. I personally love to cleaning my house, to making an order around my house while I am pumping. It truly helps. So guys, be so very sure to check this one out. Well, guys, this is an amazing wearable pump. I highly recommend you guys to check this one out. This is definitely a life changer. So what's so good about having like a wearable, a portable breast pump is the fact that you don't need to stay at one place. You don't need just to sit and pump. You can move. You can go all around. You can, do stuff around your house. You can cook. You can clean. You can take care of your house. You can take care of your baby. You can take care of your husband. Everyone who needs you, which is every freaking one out there. Being a mom, it's like hard. So from now on, you're going to have like an extra hour a day at least, because you're going to use the portable wearable pump instead of the traditional one where you need to sit and actually pump. So this is definitely highly recommended, guys. This is a life changer 100%. It is going to make your life easier. It's going to save your time, going to save your effort, and as a result, happy baby, great milk. This is a very strong pump, by the way. It's way stronger than the one that I had, which was like a manual pump. So yeah, this one is just everything I could ever wish for. So Momcozy, you're so very welcome to check it out. I'll leave you all of the links down below in the description box to this video of mine, as well as any other information like coupon codes, sales, promotions, and so very on. This one is available on Amazon as well as on the Momcozy original website. This is not the first time I'm working with Momcozy. They are an amazing brand, all about maternity, all about your baby. They also have a baby monitor that I am about to review here soon on my channel, guys. So absolutely amazing type of a brand. I'm wearing their nursing bras. I'm wearing their sports bras for the last 2 years. They are just the most favorite maternity brand out there, period. They're amazing. So be so very sure to check Momcozy out. All of their products are great, so it doesn't matter which one of their products you're gonna get. They are definitely all gonna work so very well for you. And this is something that I can guarantee because I'm using Momcozy myself for years now. And now, guys, we are moving to the most interesting part of this video of mine, and that's the giveaway. So I'm giving away a Cartier bracelet with a diamond, like a diamond Cartier bracelet. Be so very sure to check the next part and be so very sure to enter the giveaway. Well, let's get started. Guys, I just reached 100,000 subscribers here on YouTube. And today I am giving away Cartier bracelet. Oh my god, yes. So guys, here you can see the desirable silver YouTube button that YouTube sent me as a reward for reaching 100,000 subscribers, and I'm so very excited. So this is my chance to thank you guys all. Thank you for being with me. Thank you for supporting me. Thank you for commenting for years. Thank you for watching my videos. Thank you for being here with me. Thank you for loving me. And here is my way to say thank you. I'm gonna pick one lucky winner that's gonna get this Cartier bracelet, and here you can see, guys, the unboxing. I've ordered this one online. It's not the most expensive bracelet they have, but it is a very cute, gorgeous, gentle and pretty one. It is having a diamond, so this is a diamond Cartier bracelet that I'm giving away here today, guys. So here is how it's gonna go. To enter the giveaway, you have to be 18 years or older, or having your parents' permission to share with me your address. Then you need to comment down below to this video of mine, and only to this video of mine, Cartier diamond bracelet. Cartier diamond bracelet. This is what you need to comment, and I am gonna pick one lucky winner from the comments down below to this video of mine, and I'm gonna gift you this Cartier bracelet. And that's basically all. That's all. Very easy, very simple. Yeah, that's it. That's the rules. I'll pick one winner. This is my chance to ask you to subscribe to my channel and to give this video a huge thumbs up. This is not a part of the request for the giveaway because I think it's illegal to ask you to subscribe. I mean, it's like forbidden by YouTube rules. You can do it regardless if you want to, but that's not a part of the giveaway. You just simply need to comment down below to this video, and that's basically it. This is my way to say thank you for all these years. I love you guys. So I've ordered this bracelet online from Cartier because we don't have Cartier in my state. I live in North Carolina, and this is how it came, and this is exactly what you're gonna get by mail. It came, oh my god, certification of authenticity, you know that it's like a real thing. And this is the bracelet itself, guys. Yeah. So guys, thank you so much for watching this video of mine. Be so very sure to enter my giveaway. Be so very sure to check the TV stand as well as the Momcozy breast pump out. Both of these products are gonna be down below in the description box, as well as there's gonna be, once again, a full explanation how to enter the giveaway down below in the description box of mine as well. Well, that was actually all for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for making me to this place where I am today. I'm absolutely grateful for each one of you, and that was actually all for today. XOXO Valentine.